Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing fine and welcome back to my channel. I hope that all of you are making the most out of your time. Learning something makes you grow as a person, so keep learning. Thank you so much first of all for giving me so many likes in the previous video and also subscribing to my channel. Really eager to see how many likes do I get after this video. Those who watch and do not subscribe, I want them to go ahead and subscribe to my channel immediately because this is going to be really helpful. Share the video with the children, in the neighborhood, elderly people, adults, those who need it, those who need help in English. Share this video, in fact, the name of the channel, with them so that they can also benefit out of it. The name of the channel is Wing. Today's topic is a grammar topic. Can you guess what it is? Well, today's topic is the first grammar topic that you can see in any book, any grammar book. You can find that. The sentence. Now, what do you understand by sentence? Usually, we need sentences to speak in order to write so that we communicate our thoughts and ideas, right? So, sentence is simply an arrangement of words in a manner that carries a meaning or makes sense, right? Only the words which are arranged in a proper manner, which forms a sentence and has to have a meaning. Can you call it a sentence? Okay? Well, sentence has a subject and a predicate. As you can see in the slide, what do you mean by a subject? A subject is the noun or the pronoun to understand who are we talking about. Okay? So anything or any place or any person or anything that, comes in the beginning to suggest that we are talking about this person or thing or animal or a place. So that is a subject, any noun or pronoun. The predicate, on the other hand, carries a verb, okay? Has to have a verb. So the subject that performs the action, that action is a part of predicate, okay? So along with the verb, there are other words as well in a sentence, and all other words, including the verb, would come under predicate. Have you understood that? Okay, let's take an example here. Amy is running around in the park. So the subject here is Amy. Now the predicate here is running around in the park. So the verb as well as the rest of the sentences, including a noun. If you can see here, there is a noun, park. Park is a noun, name of a place. So even if it's a noun, it still does not mean that it would be a part of subject, right? Because this is suggesting where the subject, Amy, was running around. She was running around in the park. So park is a place where she was running around. She was using that place. Okay? So Amy is the subject. Only Amy is the subject here. Have you understood? Now let's all move on to the next slide. Now, we already know that a sentence has two parts, major parts, a subject and a predicate. Now here you would see a subdivision, okay? Now a sentence has a subject, a verb, as well as an object. Subject has the noun or the pronoun, and verb has the action word, and object may have a lot of things, okay? Now, you see, as I mentioned it before as well, a group of words may not be a sentence if they are not arranged properly. So it has to be arranged in a proper manner. Now here you see an example. A girl is playing with a ball. So a girl is the noun, right? That's the subject, which is a noun. Is playing is a verb, right? Is playing is a verb. And with a ball, the girl is using a ball to play, right? So with a ball. So here, a ball is an object, right? Is an object. So subject is the noun, a girl, verb is playing, and object is the ball. Okay, the ball. So if you interchange the positions, that means they would not be arranged in a proper manner. Do you think it would make sense? Let's check. Let's do that. So let's interchange the places of subject and verb and let's see what happens. So, is playing a girl with a ball. Does that make sense? No. Let's do another one. Let's change the positions of verb and object. Let's see if it helps. Okay? Verb and object. A girl with a ball is playing. A girl with a ball is playing. Does that make sense? No, right? So it has to be arranged in this manner only. Subject, verb, and object. Have you understood? Great. Now let's move on to the next slide, which is a sentence always starts with a capital letter. So a big no-no to those who do not use capital letters, who use small letters. Do not do that, please. Okay, now there are certain exceptions. In case of special nouns or proper nouns, you have to use capital letters only. You have to begin the word with a capital letter, even if it is in the end of the sentence. Okay? So that's an exception. Apart from that, every sentence has to begin with a capital letter, and the rest of the words in a sentence will have small letters except for the proper nouns. Understood? Let's move on to the next. Okay, please note that a sentence always ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. Now, there are some examples given here. Reena plays piano well. So, Reena plays piano well. It is not a question, right? It's a statement. So, there has to be a full stop. It means a period, a dot. Okay? Now, which month comes after September? This is a question that you're asking, right? You're asking something. You're not telling something. You're asking. So it's a question. So use a question mark in the end. Okay? And you see all the sentences have begun with a capital letter. All the sentences start with the capital letter, as you can see here. The last one says, that flower is so beautiful. Why do you use exclamation mark? You use an exclamation mark only to denote that you're happy, excited, surprised, or shocked. Okay? So to express your emotions, extreme emotions, you use exclamations. Okay? And that is why you use exclamation mark in the end of those sentences. Okay? Done? Let's move on to the next slide. Okay, now this is the quiz time. I hope by now you have understood a little bit. Let's go ahead and try to understand if you have got whatever I've taught you. Okay, so let's do that. Arrange the following groups of words in order to make sentences. Now you will have to arrange the following group of words, okay, to make sentences. Now the first one is the was class vacant. Arrange these words in order to make a sentence, a proper sentence, and use the punctuation marks that I have already told you in the last slide. Okay, either a full stop or a question mark. I don't think I've given any exclamatory sentence, so you just need to be careful about question marks. Okay, there many are books, the in store. The third one, raining, it is outside. Friend is my wet getting. Is what time, the now. So you will have to write these in the comment section. Write the answers in the comment section. All right? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Don't forget that. Thank you so much once again for watching the video till the end. I hope you have been able to understand the topic well. If not, watch the video again. Okay? If you do not understand it at one go, watch it again. No problem at all. Take your time. Okay? And I will get back to you in the next video. I will clear your doubts and give you some more revision work on this particular topic, the sentence. Okay? Now write in the comment section whatever you have liked in this video, Also, if you have any suggestion, please feel free to note it down and send it to me in the comment section, and I will read those comments and make sure that the videos are made accordingly. So please, again, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Watch the video till the end so that you understand the topic. If you leave it in the middle, you will not be able to understand the topic well. Okay? So there is a beautiful quote that I have come across, so I thought I should share it with you. Curiosity is the wick. Wick. You see you know the wick of a candle, that part which lights catches fire, right? Curiosity is a wick in the candle of learning. Curiosity is the way. So be curious. Be very eager to learn. And how do you get that? If you do not know something, ask questions. That's the best way, best possible way, right? To learn. So that's the candle of learning. So always ignite it all the time. Okay? So that's the quote by William Arthur Ward. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.